Why does your scanner show the P22A1 engine code? What does it mean? P22A1 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor circuit, high input, bank 1, sensor 2. The P22A1 engine code indicate the engine control unit has detected an abnormally high voltage reading or signal from the NOx sensor on the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leaks, excess soot or carbon buildup, fuel or oil contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Honda, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.